Wait, we forgot the ketchup. After a long movie night, Jake and Emma stop at a busy drive-thru for food. But ordering late at night becomes a little harder than they expected. Welcome to English Listening Stories. This story uses slow and simple English for beginner learners. So relax, take your time, and enjoy the conversation. Here's today's listening question. What sauce do Jake and Emma forget to ask for? Listen carefully for the answer. And after the story, you can write your answer in the comments to practice your English.
That movie was way too long.
Yeah, but the ending was good.
I liked the car chase scene.
Me too. That part was crazy.
Wow, it got really cold outside.
Seriously, I should have brought my jacket.
Here, get in the car first.
Thanks. Oh, wow, the seats are freezing.
Give it a minute. The heat will turn on soon.
Good. I'm starving right now.
Same here. I could eat anything.
Honestly, even bad fries sound good tonight.
Bad fries are still fries.
True.
Wait, look across the street.
Oh, no. Look at that line.
That drive-thru is packed tonight.
Why are there so many people?
Maybe everyone just left the movie theater too.
Probably.
You still want to go there?
Yeah, I really want fries.
The fries must be amazing tonight.
Or everyone is just tired and hungry like us.
That sounds more realistic.
Are you getting burgers again?
Maybe, or maybe chicken this time.
Wow, big decision.
It's important.
Very important.
Should we just go home instead?
No way, I need food first.
Same, I can't sleep hungry.
Especially after that giant popcorn bucket.
Hey, you ate most of it.
That is not true.
Emma, you kept holding the bucket the whole movie. Fries and a warm car. That sounds perfect.
Best idea all night. This line is moving so slowly.
Yeah, we might be here all night.
At least the car is warm now.
That helps.
Oh, I like this song. Turn it up a little.
Like this?
Yeah, that's perfect.
This feels kind of nice, actually.
Late-night drive-thru trips are always fun.
Especially when you're really hungry.
I'm still thinking about fries.
You've talked about fries for 10 minutes now.
Because fries are important.
Very important.
What are you getting?
I was thinking about burgers.
Just burgers?
Maybe nuggets too.
That sounds good. What about you?
Fries, obviously.
Obviously. And a chocolate shake.
A shake at midnight?
Yes, don't judge me.
I'm not judging. I'm impressed.
Thank you.
Wait, didn't you say last week you wanted to eat healthier?
Tonight doesn't count.
Fair enough.
Oh, did you see that video online?
Which one?
The guy who ordered 50 burgers at a drive-thru.
50?
Yeah, the workers looked so tired.
Imagine making all those burgers.
I would quit immediately.
Honestly, same.
Oh, the line is moving again.
Finally.
You still getting burgers?
Maybe not.
What do you mean, maybe not?
I think I want spicy chicken now.
Seriously?
Yeah.
You changed your mind fast.
The sign picture looks really good.
That's how they get you.
Look at that sandwich.
Okay, yeah, that actually looks amazing.
Right?
Now I kind of want one too.
Don't change your order too.
Relax, I still want fries.
Can I try some fries later?
Maybe.
Wow, so cold.
Buy your own fries, Jake.
I probably will.
Good choice.
Okay, we're almost at the speaker now.
Nice. Time to make important food decisions.
Hi, welcome to Burger Spot. What can I get for you tonight?
Hey, can I get a spicy chicken sandwich meal?
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Yeah, a spicy chicken sandwich meal.
Okay. What drink would you like?
Lemon soda, please.
Medium or large?
Medium is fine.
Okay. Anything else?
Yeah, can I also get a large fries?
One large fries. Got it.
And one chocolate shake.
Sorry, what kind of shake?
Chocolate.
Okay. One chocolate shake.
Thanks.
Anything else tonight?
Nope, that's everything.
Okay. Your total is $18.40. Please drive to the first window.
Sounds good, thanks.
You're welcome.
Wow, this speaker is really hard to hear tonight.
Yeah, it happens sometimes when traffic is busy.
I thought you said 3 fries for a second.
That would be a lot of fries.
Honestly, after that movie, maybe not.
Long night?
Yeah, we just left the theater across the street.
Oh, that explains the long line tonight.
Yeah, the place was packed.
Hopefully the food is worth the wait.
I'm sure it will be.
All right, see you at the window.
Thanks.
Wait a second.
What?
We forgot the ketchup.
Oh no,
I can't eat fries without ketchup.
we already left the speaker.
I know.
Maybe they'll still give us some at the window.
Hopefully.
Honestly, we almost forgot the sauces too.
Good thing you remembered at the last second.
Yeah, that speaker was stressful.
You looked so serious while ordering.
I was trying to hear the worker
You kept leaning toward the speaker.
because every car outside was so loud.
True.
Wait, can you check the order again?
Yeah, hold on.
Everything looks right?
Maybe not.
What happened now?
I think the shake size is wrong.
Seriously?
Yeah, I wanted a medium shake.
What does the receipt say?
Small.
Ah,
It's not a huge problem.
but you really wanted the medium one.
That's true.
We can ask them to change it.
You think so?
Yeah, it's okay.
I just don't want to be annoying.
Asking politely isn't annoying.
Good point.
We're already paying for the food anyway.
That line behind us is getting longer, though.
Yeah, I see it.
I always feel bad when people are waiting behind me.
Same.
Maybe I should just keep the small shake.
No way. Get the shake you want.
Wow, so supportive.
This is important business.
Very important business.
Fries and shakes are serious topics tonight.
Definitely.
Okay, here's the plan.
I'm listening.
We ask for ketchup first.
Okay.
Then we ask about the shake size.
Calm and polite.
Exactly.
All right, we can do that.
See, not a big problem.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh, we're almost at the window now.
Okay, let's do this before I get even hungrier.
Hi there. Your total is $18.40.
Here you go.
Thanks.
Busy night tonight?
Very busy. The movie theater crowd came all at once.
Yeah, we just came from there too.
That explains it.
The line was really long.
It's been like this all night.
I feel bad for the workers tonight.
Honestly, we're surviving with coffee right now.
I understand that feeling.
All right, let me grab your food.
Thanks.
Okay, I have one spicy chicken meal, one large fries, 6 nuggets, and one chocolate shake.
Actually, can I ask something really quickly?
Sure,
Can we get some ketchup too?
of course.
Thank you so much.
No problem at all.
And I think the shake size might be wrong.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I ordered a medium shake, but the receipt says small.
Let me check that for you.
Thanks.
Yeah, you're right. That's our mistake.
It's okay.
I can change that right now.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
No problem. Give me 1 second.
Sure.
All right, here's the medium shake.
Perfect. Thanks again.
And here's some ketchup, too.
Nice. Now the fries are complete.
Honestly, fries without ketchup feel wrong.
Exactly. That's what I said.
You'd be surprised how many people forget sauces at night.
Really?
All the time, especially after movies.
That actually makes me feel better.
Late night orders make people forget things.
Very true.
All right, everything should be good now.
Awesome.
Have a good night.
You too. Good luck with the line tonight.
Thanks, we'll need it.
Bye.
Bye.
Finally, food at last.
We made it.
That drive-through trip felt like a whole adventure.
Seriously.
Oh wow, these fries smell amazing.
Pass them over here.
Careful, they're really hot.
Perfect. Hot fries are the best fries.
And now you have ketchup too.
Thankfully.
Listen to the rain outside.
Yeah, it sounds relaxing.
This is actually kind of cozy,
Late night food always feels better somehow.
especially after a long movie.
And a long drive-through line.
First, we left the theater freezing to death.
Then we saw that giant line across the street.
Honestly, I almost wanted to go home.
No chance. I needed fries too badly.
True.
Then you changed your order 3 different times.
Okay, maybe twice.
Nope, 3 times.
The spicy chicken looked too good.
Fair enough.
After that, the speaker was impossible to hear.
You sounded so confused.
I thought the worker said 3 fries.
Honestly, I would have believed you.
Then we almost forgot the sauces.
And the ketchup.
And the shake problem.
Yeah, good catch on the receipt.
At least everything worked out in the end.
The worker was really nice about it too.
Yeah, that helped a lot.
See, asking politely usually works.
Very true.
Okay, try the nuggets.
Oh wow, those are actually really good.
I told you.
Want some fries?
Wow, sharing now.
Don't make it weird.
Too late.
Honestly though, this food was worth the wait.
Definitely worth it.
Same time next week?
Another midnight drive-through trip?
Why not?
Only if we remember the ketchup next time.
Deal.
And maybe order faster at the speaker.
Hey, I did my best.
You did okay.
Just okay?
Okay, you did well.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, one more fry before we drive home.
Make that 5 more fries.
That was a warm and cozy late night story. Jake and Emma finally got their food, fixed the small problems, and enjoyed a quiet moment together in the car. Sometimes small, everyday moments can become good English practice too. You did a great job listening today. Slow listening takes time, and every story helps your English grow little by little. Now, here is the listening question again. What sauce did Jake and Emma forget to ask for? If you know the answer, write it in the comments below. Writing your answer is a great way to practice English and remember the story longer. Even short comments help your learning. And if this story helped you relax and practice English, please like the video and subscribe to English Listening Stories for more calm and easy listening practice. If you would like to support the channel and help us create more relaxing stories, you can also join our channel membership. Thank you for listening with us today. Take your time, keep practicing, and we will see you again very soon in another English listening story.